Now, under this reasons review, unit 3, which is the chapter or unit we can say transformations and rigid motions, I have provided you here all the rules for reflection, rotation, translation. You have to be familiar with these rules so that you can do problems whether multiple choice or open-ended very easily in the exam. Okay, that is one facility here. Now, if we see the other side, we have first two questions, 1 and 2 same type. This is a frequent question in the recent exam of geometry. What is it saying? The vertices of triangle JKL have coordinates like this. Under which transformation is the image J dash, K dash, L dash and not congruent? That means, you see here, translation, when you do for any object, the original figure and the image still, there won't be any change because it is a rigid motion, they are still congruent. In the same way, reflection is also a rigid motion. That means the original figure and its image are always congruent. And in the same way, rotation, even if you do rotation, the figures, original figure and the image will be congruent. There is no change in the dimensions. Whereas if you see the dilation, see for example, the dilation means the original figure may be enlarged or reduced. For example, if you see the film, whether it is 35 mm or 70 mm, it will be projected onto the very big screen. So the person in the small film will look very giant figure on the screen of a movie theater, or you can see the hoardings like that. So there will be tremendous change. They are not congruent anymore, they are only similar figures. So your answer should be 4 for 1. In the same way, you try second one. This is also similar type. If you see the third one, in the diagram below, congruent figures 1, 2 and 3 are drawn. 1, 2, 3. What is this saying? This 1 is moving to 2, 2 is moved to 3. Which sequence of transformations from maps figure 1 onto figure 2, then figure 2 onto figure 3? If you carefully observe, see this arrow. This is just sliding, means translation. From here, this position is changed, which is possible only by rotation. Therefore, translation followed by rotation. Where is that answer? And now, this is a wrong answer, and translation followed by reflection. No, wrong. So translation followed by rotation. So the fourth is correct for the third one. If you see the fourth problem which I have created here, just like third, follow 1 is here, 2 is here, 3. That means it goes like this and it goes like this. You follow which one is correct answer. Okay, let's go fifth one. It's the only unique problem. Let me do this. Which statement is sufficient evidence that triangle DEF is congruent to triangle ABC? AB is DE, BC is EF. These two okay, but third side information is missing, so get out. All the three angles are equal in the two triangles. That is not sufficient. They may be similar, but they are not congruent. So this is also not the sufficient answer. If you see the fourth one, there is a sequence of rigid motion that maps a point A to D, which is meaningless. You should not talk about the point which cannot confirm whether they are congruent or not. So that is wrong. So the only correct answer is 3. There is a sequence of rigid motion that maps AB onto DE, BC onto EF, AC onto DF. That means all the three sets are congruent to other three sets of the triangle. That means by triple S rule they are congruent, of course. So this is the answer. Let's go for question number 4th and 5th. They are same type. Let me do, I'm sorry. This is 6th and 7th. So they are similar type. Let me do 6th one. In the same way you can do 7th one. So in the diagram below, square is graphed in the coordinate plane. A reflection over which line does not carry the square onto itself. That means, let's go for y is equal to 2. Where is y is equal to 2? Y is 1, y is 2. So if you draw like this, that is acting like a mirror. Then this will reflect 1, 2, 3 here, and this will reflect. So suppose if you call it as A dash will be here. If you call it as B dash will be here. That means it is reflecting along this mirror, it is reflecting onto itself. So this is a wrong answer. Y is x means when x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 2. That means when x is 0, y is 0. The mirror will be like this. It's passing through the origin. So again the mirror, this image, this given object reflects onto itself. This square reflects onto itself. That's why this is not our answer. X plus y is 4. For example, if I make a table for you, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, y is 4. 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. So 0, 4, 1, 3. So this is 4, this is 3. Next, 2, 2. When you join this line, this is acting like a mirror. But on this mirror, this square reflects onto itself. That's why this is not our answer. The only correct answer is x is 5. How it is correct? Let me explain with this black color pen. X is 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is x is 5. When you draw this mirror like this, and when you ask this square to reflect on this mirror, that will come up here, right? So in this way it reflects. It's not at all reflecting on itself. That's why it is following the condition of the, it's not carrying the that square onto itself. That's why this is the correct answer. In the same exact way, if you think for the 7th, you will get the answer. Thank you.